Here's a look at the 2026 Grand River 27 RKE. This RV has a clean exterior, a comfortable layout, and plenty of space inside for relaxing, cooking, and enjoying time away. As you step inside, you're welcomed into the dining and kitchen area with a massive TV and entertainment center visible right away, complete with a fireplace for that extra cozy feel. The 4-seater dining table gives you a comfortable place to sit down for meals, morning coffee, or a game night after a long day outside. Backing up, you can really see how much the kitchen has to offer. It comes equipped with a microwave, oven, stove, full-sized fridge and freezer, lots of storage, and plenty of counter space for everyday use. Across from the entertainment center, the theater seating couches give you a comfortable place to kick back, watch a movie, or unwind at the end of the day. The master bedroom has a bright, comfortable feel with lots of windows and hanging wardrobe storage to keep everything organized while you're away. In the bathroom, you have a large shower, a medicine cabinet with great storage, and plenty of counter space, making the space feel practical and easy to use. Ready to take a closer look? Shop or apply online today at campmart.ca or visit CampMart in person and find the RV that fits your next adventure.